This tutorial is on how to use filters. Take a look at column B, rows 2 through 6. Each row has all in column B with a drop-down arrow. Click the arrow next to location to show the location filter options. If you only want to see one location, click the location name and then click OK. The report now shows only data for the selected location. If you want to show more than one location, and there aren't any checkboxes next to the other locations, click Select Multiple Items, then select your next location and click OK. The report now shows data for both of your selected locations. I'll filter my results even further by selecting Frames from the Product Type selection. Click OK. Now the report changes to show only frames for the selected locations. Everywhere there's a drop arrow, there's a filter. Let's see some more advanced filters. The filters in the results columns have even more features. For example, I want to see just the sales for Fred Shambrook. I could look through the list of staff names and select Fred the way I selected location and product type, but it's faster for me to use the label filter. Point to Label Filters and then click Begins With. Type a couple of letters of Fred's first name, followed by an asterisk, and then click OK. Fred's sales are the only ones now showing. I'll clear the label filter to show another great filter, the value filter. With value filters, you can find any amount you might be looking for. Very handy for research. Right now, I just want to see who has the best sales numbers. Move down the value filter option list and select top 10. I want to see the top 2, so I replace the 10 with the 2 and click OK. The report now shows only the top 2 salespeople's results. I'll clear the value filter to show column sort options. You can sort A to Z, C to A, and you can change which field to sort on. Now we'll show another filter where there's a filter within a filter. The heading in column A, row 9 is month, day, fee slip number, and detail. That means all of those fields are in this column. Click the drop-down arrow next to that column heading and you'll see that you can select any of these fields to filter on. Click the fee slip number field. When you select a field, you can use the label filter or value filter like we did on staff names. For example, if I want to find fee slip number 107, I can select the fee slip number field and then use the label filter to find fee slips equal to 107. The results change to show only fee slip 107. By the way, if you ever have a label filter that doesn't bring up the label option window, make sure you don't have a results cell selected. Just click in an empty cell and then click the label filter again. Don't be afraid to experiment with the filters. You can't break anything and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can get to the data you need. Now a quick tip on saving your report. Let's say you always want to see a frames report for the 2 locations we selected with the filters we just set up. All you have to do is save this report as a different name. Click the Office button, click Save As, Excel Binary Workbook, and give it a different name. When you want to see this report again, all you have to do is open it. You don't have to set up the filters again. That's it for filters. Don't be afraid to experiment.